We didn't just travel to Isan to try some spicy Isan food, but it's one of the many reasons why we wanted to come here. And so for today, we picked some famous Isan dishes that you just have to try when you're here, and we'll see how spicy it gets. And I think that's very close to a perfect chicken dish.
I think they use more peanuts here, and I really like it.
So this papaya salad is without a doubt the spiciest thing that I've had to eat here in Thailand.
Hi, I'm Zoe.
And I'm Simon. And since our first trip together over a decade ago, we've taken every opportunity we can get to travel, explore new countries and try new food.
This year we left our jobs and rented out our flat to start a new long-term trip, beginning in Asia, where we'll be diving deep into the multitude of cultures and cuisines.
The first dish we really wanted to try is called Gai Yang, and it's grilled marinated chicken. I think it's originated in Laos and then just swept over to Thailand. And this place is called Gai Yang Rabeab, and they are known for this grilled marinated chicken. Locals seem to love this place. It's completely packed, and yeah, we are very happy that we got a table here. It's supposed to be marinated for about 2 hours and then grilled at very low temperature with this indirect grilling method. Okay, so the skin is quite crispy and the chicken is very soft and tender. It's good.
I think this marinade is mainly made with fish sauce and some ginger, garlic, turmeric, coriander, all kinds of nice and fragrant ingredients. The chicken is not too spicy on its own, so that's why you get these dipping sauces with it as well. We got 2 different ones. One is supposed to be quite spicy and the other one is more sweet. So let's try the chicken with the sauce as well. I'm actually just going to pour it over, because otherwise I'm afraid there's not going to be enough sauce. I love the chicken together with the spicy sauce. That's the best way to eat it, definitely. I expected it actually to have a little bit more power, but it goes really nicely with the chicken. The sweet sauce is also really nice. I think the way to go is probably to combine both sauces. Now then you've got this spicy sweet sensation on the crispy and juicy chicken, and I think that's very close to a perfect chicken dish. Isan is known for many dishes, but papaya salad is probably one of the most famous. They serve it here as well, together with the chicken, and that's also a really nice combination. This is the Thai style version with crab, and then they also have the Lao style version with fermented fish, which we'll probably try at some other time. But this just tastes super fresh.
I feel like everybody's always raving about papaya salad here in Thailand, and I never really got it because I didn't feel it was that special. But now that we're in Isan, I kind of know what's meant. They put a lot of lime on it, and that just gives it a really, really fresh taste, like the papaya combined with the lime. And also, I think they use more peanuts here, and I really like it. We want to try some geng hip, which is a mushroom soup. It's made with yanang leaves, which is a plant that is supposed to be anti-inflammatory, has like some anti-cancer benefits, so it's basically a very healthy soup. And that's also where it gets its green color from. And you can see that it has different kinds of mushrooms in it. I'll just try them all. The soup itself is spicy. It's kind of floury, I think, but it's nice. I think it also has some garlic and some lemongrass in it, so it tastes a bit fresh.
It's a bit like a forest soup, I think.
Also has a lot of earthy tones to it, and the mushrooms, of course, support that. There's a funny looking mushroom here. Some of the mushrooms are softer, some of them are more chewy. It's a good mix.
This place we're at right now is called yak-yum, and it's very close to our hotel. So when we were walking down the street, we saw this place and it looked really good, but it also smelled really good because they also grill their own chickens here, which we didn't order right now. But what we did order is another som tam, so like a papaya salad, to compare it with the other one. I think this also has some fermented fish in there, but I haven't tried it yet. So
We thought we ordered 2 cans of lime soda.
yes, but this is something completely different. I have no idea what it is. I guess I will have to try this first. I don't know what it is.
It's quite funny.
Fruity, and I mean we
This
ordered.
is the second time this happened that we
ordered something to drink, and we got a purple drink back. I mean, we're not complaining.
We'll take
This
it.
will also be very good because the papaya salad that we ordered here, from the looks of it, is gonna be way more spicy because there are tons of chilies on here. So let's compare to the other one. Here goes. With this papaya salad, the focus is much more on the papaya itself. So there's way more papaya ratio compared to all the other stuff in here. There are some tomatoes in there, a lot of chilies.
But does it have peanuts?
Good point. No peanuts here. So I think you would like the other one better, but if you want it really spicy, this is the one for you. So this papaya salad is without a doubt the spiciest thing that I've had to eat here in Thailand. It is very tasty and I really like spicy food, but they like to push the limits here.
And after a lot of walking around, it's time for some coffee. And we actually already have a perfect place for that.
There are actually a ton of coffee shops here in Khon Kaen, which is nice because you can always get a nice cup of coffee pretty much anywhere in town. They're pretty stylish, but this one is just our favorite. We fell in love with it on day one, and
With it and its owner.
and yeah,
Because she is so cute.
and so it's good to come back.
The coffee's actually really good here. They roast the beans themselves and it looks really nice. They have a cute garden and we accidentally sat down, I think, in the tarot card area or like the, I don't know.
I don't know, tarot office maybe?
Tarot office.
Of the owner?
So that's why there are some tarot cards around here. So if you want to know your future, just ask.
Zoe.
I have all the equipment.
Yeah, we had a little bit of time to relax, cool off, and now the sun is slowly setting and it's getting cooler, and we're heading off to the night market here in Khon Kaen to grab a little bite to eat, some more Isan dishes, hopefully.
Maybe some Isan snacks.
Some Isan snacks, maybe some dessert. That will conclude our day of eating.
So we just arrived at Ruen Rom night market at golden hour. It's very beautiful and already quite busy. Let's go.
So we bought 2 Isan style sausages. One is with sour pork, and the other one with rice inside.
And the sour pork, I think, is sour because it's fermented.
Okay. I think they're quite nice. They have a very coarse consistency because the pork inside is cut very coarsely, and then also in addition to that you've got the rice in there. But I think I would enjoy them even more with some nice mustard.
German style.
But as a snack, they're pretty good. Okay, so this isn't really an Isan speciality.
That's why we're just taking 2 mini ones.
Okay, good. But I mean, we are in Isan, so I
It's
guess
Isan food.
it is Isan food.
Okay, that was a lot of food. And actually we wanted to show you one more dish, which is called larb, and it's a minced pork salad. We actually had it yesterday, so if you're interested in larb, maybe watch that video, because it turns out we could not find it anywhere on the market. We've actually also come to another market to search for it, but yeah, nowhere to be found. So actually we are wondering right now how much of an Isan dish it actually is. Well, maybe it just wasn't the right time and place to find some larb, but I think we still tried some really nice dishes today, and we will probably also find some more because we're staying in Isan for at least a couple of days, if not weeks. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.